Hey, let's see. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, you can see it. This is a coil of wire, and this is a voltmeter hooked up to it. And I've got a magnet here. If I move the magnet near the coil of wire, you'll see that we get a nice voltage going up there. Ignore the 42,000 volts that the meter says. Vice versa, if I put voltage in to the coil, the magnet will move. That's called a motor. They're both the same thing. Generator, motor, still a magnet, and a coil. There's one thing that's being left out, in my opinion. There's a third element that is not being factored in. It hasn't been factored in for over 100 years, and I think it's a huge scientific mistake. I think people like Heaviside, Tesla, and Maxwell were right. It's fields. It's not particles. It's not waves. Waves of what? It's fields. Okay? And some mainstream appears to be avoiding that for some godforsaken reason. They don't want us to know about this shit. So, in my not so professional opinion, this is not a generator. There's a third element that science is not taking into consideration here. This is a manifester. This is manifesting voltage with this magnet. But you got to include the field in this equation. And that's not being included in it right now. You got to include the field. And until then, this is the reason we're not zipping around in little Jetson cars right now. We're still going to beat the air into submission to get around. Because we're idiots. We're idiots. You got to include the field. You got to include the field. And you know who's figured it out? You know who figured it out? Oops. Is the people zipping around in those little Tic Tacs.